One of them set up Vybz Kartel and size him up with Masicka.
No more no bad like Masicka.
Thinking mode footer hyper try style him.
You notice some boy have to talk about me. All when me not talk about them.
You don't know I try style man with Swissly. I talk about
I chop rice a mad them man.
It's a chop rice moment.
That boy can't feed me chop rice. Me a bad man. No chop. Yo, listen to me man. We cook our own meal. We a bad man.
Kuya when me bunny vampire. Kuya when me bunny wabiabo kaya them. Kuya.
Alright, yeah, Jam TV family, welcome back to our next episode on the channel. Yeah, so in this episode, family, we have one Kevin a forward out and a blaze of fire, and I say, yo, people are compare Swissly, you know, the famous TikToker with Vybz Kartel. I say, yo, him can pull people like Kartel. So one Kevin I make them know straight, so nothing like that. And in that same rant there, him a clad some people and a fire some shots said speech. So I go check it out and hear my deed. We also have Brisco far out and a bone of fire. Say, yo, no man can feed him the chop rice. Say, my blaze a fire pan African street. I say, yo, none of that, boy. So we have to go check out that and see all that are forward. We also have some people that give them tasks on the Chronixx album. You don't know, recently Chronixx dropped him new album, Exile. It a go on pan the DSPs. I see it make some waves on the iTunes chart and many more charts. So people give them feedback and I say, yo, them don't like it and some say, yo, them like it. So we're going to check out that and see all that are forward. We also have World Boom. Yeah, man, Operation. I link up with CJ Milan. You don't know, the big promoter for Reggae Fest. We'll promote all the big Reggae Fest them overseas for major dancer acts like Vybz Kartel, Elephant Man, Mr. Vegas, Bounty Killer. Yeah, man, the big promoter. She up on the ground forward. And they are first night and I circle the Uptown Monday. So we're going to check out that clip there and kick it off and see how it go. So now we are going to circle King Shango people, Caplteon, the fireman himself. We see him promote him show over there in Costa Rica on the 17th of October. You don't know when the fireman passed through him have a blaze up a fire and shell with the place, you know. And Costa Rica is a place where I always show Jamaican that love the because they have the Jamaican town over there in Costa Rica as well. We see some clips on that and we really, you know, appreciate that. So check out the Caplteon promo and see how my plan for deal with over there in Costa Rica.
Turn the up, Carnivales, the Lemon, King Shango, Costa Rica live and living October 17th, alongside Chuck Fender. Make it a date and don't be late, it's gonna be great. Akala International Productions, keep the fire burning. King Shango live, can't cool. Costa Rica, big up on yourself, see you there live and living. Kuya, Costa Rica with the fire. Kuya, when we bunny vampire. Kuya, when we bunny wabiabo kaya them. Kuya, to the one and them. Slew them and be a feelings of my carry. Them done for Barrette and them can't say them sorry. Slew them and be a feelings of my carry. Costa Rica tell them again, say the one and them. Jaja City, Jaja Town, them can't turn it into a cowboy town. No. Costa Rica said, who do you think you are? We're living in a small world. More fire, Carnivalist. Make it a date. That's what I said, the Lemon, Costa Rica. More fire.
So like how we're on the topic of stage show, yeah, we have Masicka again and stir up the place, people. It says here Masicka to host his own festival in St. Anne, brings the quote-unquote keys for third album rollout. So Masicka no tune keys for the girl them, yo, it a go on still, me not lie, but I would hear what's the Alkaline forward out and say, yo, him a the key man. Now we have Masicka forward out to them song and say, yo, keys for the girls, you see me? So you don't know that go. The party it titled Uno Fiesta. It a keep on the 20th of December. So you know saying that December that. But last year December, them time the Freedom Street we did have with Vybz Kartel. So you know say them did plans the Freedom Street would be an annual event. So we have to go see Vybz Kartel still a plan for move forward with our next Freedom Street this year and rival the party where Masicka keep on the 20th. We're not sure if Freedom Street or Uno Fiesta, the fans them will go if it be the two show them I keep in a December. You see what I did? So you know, say we have to go look out and see who are go over the Crux party and who are circle over the Gaza party. You see what I did? Yeah, man. But it are good for still, if you know, two big events and keep in the same month and the two of them successful nonetheless, regardless of what the rivalry be online with the Crux fans them and the Gaza fans them. You know that go. Yeah, man. So now we're going to segue over to one Kevin. We're going to check out the reason why my world, because recently Swiss Lee keeping birthday party in a Jamaica and people online are commenting say, yo, the pulling power of Swiss Lee, it's similar to Vybz Kartel. So one Kevin hear the argument and him chip out one night time. So we have to go check out the reason and hear my deal with people.
At the whole Jamaica. No, brother, this car seems to be right. One of them set up Vybz Kartel and size him up with Masicka. Deva brata size him up and try style him. Thinking mode footer hype and try style him. Girl come out and try style him. Who don't know I try style him man with Swiss Lee? I talk about him, Swiss Lee can pull crowd like Vybz Kartel. Bro God. If Swiss Lee charge $300 US if you go in our party in a Jamaica, would you go? May I wait? Exactly. You wouldn't go. You would not go to that party if Vybz Kartel charge $300 US in a party in a Jamaica. Your ass will be there. All when you don't like him. Because the man are the man. Brother, I want to hate the man so much. Me think of the Andrew only alone not like the man, but a Jamaica not like him. We can pick out the very few people in a Jamaica who really rate Vybz Kartel down to earth. No found a Jamaica hate the man, bro. Just because the man do better than you. Just because the man do 13 years and make you look bad when they out the door for 13 years and you can't pay your bills. And the man come here and buy house when you can't pay rent. The man out here buy car when you can't even buy a metro card. The man out here and do so much shit that God approve. And things that approve for you. Keep praying because your prayer will change things. Stop bad mind. You know the reason why your prayer now come true? Because instead of you pay attention to your ground and watch your ground, you watch Addy ground and a safe all the in there.
Alright, so the next topic on the list now is Chronixx newly released studio album titled Exile. We see where the album will make waves on the iTunes chart. It will make whole heap of waves in Africa, in the Caribbean itself, and also the reggae diaspora. Because you know a Chronixx that people used to good, nice music from Chronixx. But listen a couple songs off the album so far already, and me I tell you say it's a more of a authentic reggae type of vibe, you know, original reggae sound based on the songs that we are hear on the album. That Hurricane song they can know so Chronixx probably dollar blaze up a steamers, cause you know steamers the man they go more well, you see me? And I make that tune the bass for how we see how that compose and how it sound, you know? Very steady, calm, yeah. But the overall vibe of the album is that just a steady, calm, pure vibe, you know? Authentic reggae vibe. Most people are say, oh, them not used to the vibe there from a Chronixx, they more up-tempo, nice, skanky music, they more hear like the previous album, the chronology. And some people are say, yo, it's a blessing to the reggae community itself based on how him deal with the album and how him structure it and the instrumentals them when him choose to put on the project itself. Yeah, so far me that say it's a good album, but I give it a good rating. However, to me, the previous album, the chronology, it would be a better project based on how them songs that is structured and how everything did sound on an overall basis. Yeah, songs where you can repeat on a daily, you know. But this album, it have good songs on it, you know, people. If you listen to the album, let me know your thoughts on it as well. In the comment section, you can let me know what you think about the project, if you like it or if you don't like it. We have some people that comment and say how them they rate it, and others that say they do rate it. So hear the feedback.
No, I love Chronixx through and through, right? But this album, maybe I need to give it a few more listens, but I'm not vibing it. It just reminds me of like a country funeral setting with some curry goat soup and macaroni on the back. And while there is a place for that kind of nostalgic feel, I can go listen to Gregory Isaacs and Alton Ellis if I want to, and all of the people in from back in that time. I was expecting Chronixx. I was expecting music that's gonna pull me through the hard times, right? Music like Skanking Sweet, right? But this ain't pulling me through anything. I don't wanna knock it yet, and I don't wanna be one of those persons because, you know, creativity and all that is subjective, but this is my opinion. This is an opinion.
Not overproduced, very beautiful. It's very there's a lot of slow songs. It's not a lot going on, but the bass, whoever the bass player is on that album took the album. If you like reggae, go listen to the new Chronixx album. It's called Exile. Chronixx is one of my favorite reggae artists ever. It's beautiful. It's simple. To me, it's simple. It's not crazy. There's not a lot of big music. It's a very simple, beautiful album. So it's called Exile by Chronixx. Like I said, not overproduced. It's not too much. It's very slow, very beautiful. If you love reggae, go listen to new Chronixx album. It's called Exile. I think it took #1 spot for reggae on the iTunes chart. So
next topic now, people, we have Brisco and Pablo YG out on the road. We have Brisco one night time, a blaze of fire, say yo, no man can feed him, not chop rice. Say my burn a fire upon African. And if you don't know who African is a man that say him originate from Africa and him bring the local culinary dish with him, what him call chop rice from him original country, which is must say yo, somewhere in Africa. That be, you see me, is also a self-proclaimed spiritual worker and dwelling at the dark arts and them things. So you know all the whole Obia thing and the whole thing go on the west side, you know, people. But we have Brisco far out and say, yo, no chop rice to him thing. But first, we're going to take a look at the whole thing with the chop rice and see how African them deal with it. And then hear Brisco say afterwards.
Is it? Why say one more ear upon this?
Yeah, man, one more year upon this. One more year upon this.
Yeah, man, look at are you party now? So how much you want? 2 plate or 3 plate? 7 plate. Alright, give me this one. 7 plate. You come in 7 plate?
Yes, boss.
Party judge, man. Yo, man, yo, come here, sir. What is it? 7 plate?
7 plate.
1 plate. No, so I'm sorry for you today, man. Remember, say I'm going to everything, you know.
2 plate.
2 plate. Come here, sir. Yeah, what the other spoon there? This the next one there.
3 plate.
No, hold on. This one, hold on. Let me take the big one, man. Hold on.
I tell you, man.
Hold on. Yeah, man. How much plate now?
3 plate.
3 plate? Eh? 2 that now.
5 plate.
How much? 5?
Bossy.
Eh?
Now, more than 5.
This is no company.
2 more plates.
You want 2 more plates? This make our
1
more plate. No, hold on. One more. 7 plate.
7 plate. One little. I chop rice and mad them, man.
It's a chop rice moment.
That boy can't feed me chop rice. Me a bad man. No chop. Yo, listen to me, man. We cook our own meal. We a bad man. Yeah, that. No pussy. Not a chop rice. No. Wake up, get the money, buy a telephone and push. You chop around it. Bring up on the line, God give me the glory. Book a white girl, she give me she know it. She have stocks and bonds in the we a chat one night and check a chat like coaching. Chat the phone. I run, then the second the phone ring. So now I check about.
Remember knowing the thing with the whole chop rice saga with Brisco and African people. Yeah, the whole chop rice business on the west side. So now we take a look at the NWC and see what the mafia did in the road when the road work repair occur, but they have to get access to the drainage through like all a manual cover, but the same road work end up covered and drainage there, so they have to go in the road for the whole drainage system. Take a look at the video and let me know what you think.
The road has road fixed. You see it? Alright, what's that now? The contractor then come and then cover the sewage manual. They cover it enough so now the whole of the way park for a lot of the shit water. So they want to clear the manhole, they can't find the manhole. We have to come now to dig up at the road with them, just asphalt. See there? See manhole there? And then cover the manhole with asphalt. You see? And then we're going to cost we say, yo, we're going to dig up road when road just asphalt.
Yes, so now you know the reason as to why it has a NWC contractor just dig up a newly paved section of the road. People are reason like them there because the man them with that pave over the entrance and manhole cover with them to get access to for complete them work and clear with them for clear or lay with them for lay them pipe and things. So them things that need to be looked at when the road paving occur before them actually lay the entire asphalt over the covering for the manhole, so the work can be much easier on the NWC part, and you know that it will save money and time this again. So them things they can address from the get-go instead of you go through situation like them on a daily basis. You get me? Yeah man, so if you make it through to the end of the vlog, people just want to big you up and tell you thanks. They're back on the ground and we'll drop more videos, so stay tuned. Man.